Pathshala writes, welcome to the learning with the Pathshala NIG. So classes LKG and UKG, today's lesson for you is again a very interesting topic, and that is the topic of your book, My Bathroom. This is the topic of your book. Means you have read about my family. आपने my family के बारे में पढ़ लिया. अब आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे my bathroom. You must all of you have bathrooms at your home and you use it. आप सबके घर बाथरूम है और आप लोग उसको यूज भी करते हैं. But do you know kids that what are these equipments kept in the bathroom? लेकिन आपको पता है कि उसमें जो equipments होते हैं, जो सामान होते हैं, उनके names क्या हुआ और उनको हम लोग किस नाम से बोलते हैं? So today's lesson will be about it. Means आपके सबके घर में बाथरूम है, उसमें कुछ सामान भी रखे होंगे, लेकिन क्या आपको पता है कि उन सामानों का नाम क्या है, उसको किस नाम से बुलाते हैं? So today's lesson will be about that, and let's read. So this is your book, and the heading of the chapter name is My Bathroom. Means मेरा bathroom. और आपका bathroom कैसा होता है? Bathroom is a place where you take bath. Bathroom means आप जहाँ पे bath लेते हो, आप जहाँ नहाते हो. So first thing is the shower. Means this is your shower. And what is a shower? Shower is when you enter the bathroom, the first thing you do is open the shower. आप सबसे पहले क्या करते हो? Shower open करते हो. Shower open करने से what we do? We just take bath and we wet ourselves. हम लोग अपने आप को नहलाते हैं और अपने आप को गीला करते हैं. So this is the shower. It looks like this. Just check it, go through. This is the shower. Now comes is your shampoo. Shampoo is you wash your hair, you get your hairs washed properly with the shampoo. This is called shampoo. Shampoo से आप अपने hair wash करते हो, hair को wash करते हो properly. Then this is the bathtub. You can see a bathtub is a tub. It's a big tub in your bathroom. Bathtub आपके bathroom में होता है, and वो आप उसमें you take bath. You go inside, you fill the water, and you take bath in the bathroom. Bathtub is a very important to take bath. This is the bathtub in your bathroom. Okay. Now comes is your towel. So this is the towel. Everybody use the towel, and towel is very important. And the towel should be very neat and clean. Towel बहुत important होता है. And आप नहाने के बाद towel से अपने आप को wipe करते हो, अपने आप को dry करते हो. So towel neat and clean होना चाहिए, क्योंकि towel बिल्कुल भी गंदा नहीं होना चाहिए. उसमें germs रहते हैं. You wash it. You wipe your hands, you wipe your body, you wipe your face. So the towel should be very neat, very clean. Now the next equipment आपके bathroom में जो है वो है toothbrush. Check it through. This is a toothbrush. What do you do with the toothbrushes? Toothbrushes helps to clean your teeth. So you clean your teeth with a toothbrush. You brush your teeth twice a day, in the morning and in the night. And then comes your mirror. This is your mirror. And what do you do in the mirror? Mirror में आप क्या करते हो? You just see yourself. आप अपने को देखते हो. Just how is my hair? How is my face? I am well dressed or not? You just watch those things. Then comes your loafer. Now what is a loafer? This is the loafer. See, what is loafer? Loafer क्या होता है? Loafer is a scrub which you use to clean your body. आप इससे अपने body को clean करते हो लोफर से. It is also known as the scrub, and you clean your body, you clean it, your hands, your neck, and you clean your all the body. So loafer is used to clean the body. This is the comb. Everyone uses the comb. Comb, you comb your hairs to look well maintained, to make your hairs good, and to make yourself look nice. Then this is the soap. And what does the soap do? You all use the soap, and you clean your body. You wipe. You just apply it on your body. Now comes is your toothpaste. Toothpaste is, you already know what is a toothpaste. Toothpaste हम लोग brush पे लगाते हैं, and we just do the brushing our teeth. Then is the hair oil. And what does the hair oil does? You apply the hair oil in your hair to make it strong and much more stronger. Hair oil हेयर्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाता है. So use the hair oil to make it shine and to make it stronger. Then the next page, let us see कि next page में क्या है. So what is there in the next page? This is the shaving kit. What is this? This is the shaving kit. Who does the shaving? Shaving आपके घर में आपके brothers, elder brothers or maybe your father, grandfather, ये लोग shaving kit का use करते हैं. Then comes is your makeup kit. And what is a makeup kit? Who does it? Your elder sister, your mother, your grandmother, they does the makeup and they use the makeup kit. This is the makeup kit in your bathroom. This is a tissue. What is this? This is a tissue. And what does the tissue do? Means after you wash your hands, to use the towel or the tissue to make your hands dry. आप अपने hands को dry करने के लिए tissues का use करते हो. Or to wipe your face, you also wipe your face. Or this is the use of tissue. Then is the hair dryer. What is this? This is the hair dryer. Means after you shampoo your hair, shampoo करने के बाद हम अपने बाल को hair dry करते हैं. So the hair dryer makes the hair dry. Hair dryer क्या करता है? Hair को dry करता है, hair को सुखाता है. This is the first aid kit. First aid kit is very important. It's the most important thing which you should keep in your bathroom because if sudden happens that कभी-कभी आप गिर जाते हो, आपको चोट लग जाती है, तो first aid kit मतलब it's a kit जिसमें आपके सारे आपके जितने भी दवाइयाँ हैं, first aid kit जो रेडी करने की चीजें हैं, कॉटन है, डेटॉल है, वो उसमें रहता है. So first aid kit it's very important. Next is the wash basin. This is the wash basin. And what does the wash basin do? You wash your hands, you brush your teeth, you wash face, and you do these all things in the wash basin. Wash basin में आप अपने hands wash करते हो, face wash करते हो, आप उसमें सारी चीजें wash basin is a wash basin. Now comes is your toilet paper. This is the toilet paper. Well, आपको ये जानना जरूरी है कि टॉयलेट पेपर क्या होता है. What basically we don't use in our Indian culture. हम लोग अपने इंडियन कल्चर में इसको यूज नहीं करते हैं, लेकिन आपको जानना होगा कि टॉयलेट पेपर क्या होता है. अगर आप कहीं बाहर जाओगे तो टॉयलेट पेपर इज अ वेस्टर्न कल्चर. दे यूज द टॉयलेट पेपर इन द बाथ. Now this is the toilet. What is this? This is the toilet. So again there are the two types of toilet. That is the Indian toilet and the Western toilet. So this is the Western toilet which they use for the washrooms. So this was all about. आज का जो आपका होमवर्क है वो ये है कि आपको ये बताना है कि how many times do you brush your teeth in a day. आप एक दिन में कितने बार ब्रश करते हो. What is a first aid kit? First aid kit क्या होता है? And the third question that we have for today is how should you keep your body neat and clean. आप अपने body को neat and clean कैसे रखोगे? This is the class for you today and just go through, just revise my bathrooms chapter and all the best. Keep learning and stay with us. Stay tuned with Pathshala Rights on the Pathshala Network. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Meet the Pathshala, masti ki Pathshala, meet the Pathshala.